In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access all DocuSign documents. We'll be using DocuSign's built-in agreements area and adjusting the date filter so you can find documents that may not appear in the default view. This is especially helpful if you're looking for something signed or sent a long time ago and it seems like it has disappeared. To get started, open DocuSign and go to the main homepage. Once you're signed in, look for the Agreements section. This is where your documents are stored, including envelopes and other agreement records. Click on Agreements to begin searching for the file you need. After that, the Agreements page will load. At first glance, you may not see the older document you're looking for, and that's completely normal. In many cases, the page is filtered to show only recent activity, such as documents from the last 24 hours. If that filter is active, older files won't appear in the results, even though they still exist in your account. To fix that, click on the Date filter. This is the key step for finding older DocuSign documents. When the date options open, you'll see different preset choices. These are designed to help you quickly narrow or expand your search based on time. Depending on what you need, you can choose a shorter, recent range or a wider one. If the standard date options still aren't enough, click on the equals option for more filter choices. This opens additional ways to define the date range more precisely. These extra options are useful when you don't want to rely only on the preset selections and need more control over your search. One of the most important options here is the Between filter. This allows you to search from one specific date to another, which is perfect for finding documents from months ago or even years ago. If you know the approximate time period, this can save you a lot of scrolling and make the search much more accurate. You can also choose a future end date if needed to maximize the range. In other words, if you want to be sure nothing is excluded, set a very broad date window. That gives DocuSign the widest possible range to search through, which can help surface older documents more easily. Once your date range is set, click Apply to activate the filter. DocuSign will refresh the results based on the conditions you selected. If the document falls within that date range, it should now appear in the list. And that's how to access all DocuSign documents. If you're not seeing a file right away, the date filter is usually the first thing to check. Expanding the range often solves the problem quickly and helps you locate records that would otherwise stay hidden.